Now let us see how to create a table into the HTML file or HTML. So I have saved a file as a itskills.itsk.tables.html. So you know how to save it. Create a new file, then click on save button. There you have to enter itskillstables.html and this file will appear here. Now to create a table, so you can use a tag called as a table. Here I will use a tag called as a table, and this tag I can okay, after tag table I will just use here I can create a heading for the table. So that I can do it by using a table heading tag. So just a minute, table heading, then here I can type first name, then before this I have to type one more thing here. Each table will have a row, so I have to type table row as tr. Okay, and it closes here, table row. Okay, I will close it in the end of this table heading. Then I will type table heading, and here it is last name, and I can type one more table heading, and if I use a tab I am directly getting here the closing tag also. I will type age. Okay, then I will close this row by using tr. Just use a tab here so that it is aligned. We'll select this and use a tab, so it looks nice, isn't it? I will save the file and I will refresh it here. Here I got it like this, but I want a border for this. I can use table border equal to 1. You don't give it in quote also, it works. I have saved a file, refresh. Okay, or even you get it in the quote it also, and then also it works. You can give it in quotes also. Directly if you give, then also it works. You can specify width here. Width for your table, width equal to you can specify in the quote or directly you can specify. In quote you can give 50%. 100% if you give, it will be coming on full screen. Yeah, 50%. Then this is the heading of my table. I want rows for the table. Next I can just type tr, and here I will type table data. Table data I want table data, and I will use my name Dinesh. Then I will use table data, enter here table data, then 45. Okay, like this I can do. So now it looks nice, isn't it? One comma is there extra that I want to remove. Okay, now I will see how it looks like. Control S, refresh. See, now it is getting like this. See, the headings are aligned to the center and this is aligned to the left or right. So what I can do is I can simply use this what I can do is I can just go for, suppose if I want to make a row, whole row to be aligned to the center, here I can use align equal to, oh sorry, already equal to is there, center. I will just save and refresh. See, now it is aligned to the center, but I want this Dinesh and Balgi to be the left and this in the center. So for that what I have to do is I have to align it for individual. So I will just remove this. I will just remove this, and what I will do is only for this one I will use align. Even for whole table also you can set one alignment also. Save, refresh. See, these are aligned to the left and only this is aligned to the center. This is how you can do it. Okay, and like that many other options are there, and I will show you how to add more rows. I don't like typing, a bit lazy, so I'll just use copy paste. Okay, I will just realign the things a bit here. Just use a tab for realigning. Okay, now I will use the H12. I will use okay. I'll be just using this. I've saved a file. Now I will refresh. This is how you can create a table in HTML. So there are different attributes are there with the padding and all, cell padding, left padding and all. So many attributes are there. Later you can try these attributes. This is how you can create a table in HTML.